Matty Patty 420 here, and today we got another unboxing. My next video will probably be unboxing this. I just have to edit it, but we got two packages here today. We got this one and this one. So I'm gonna do a small one first. I don't have any gas. I'm probably not gonna have gas for a while, so that means less videos. But once I get a job, that'll be fun. But yeah, so it's been a bit slow, but that's how it goes sometimes. I do want to be making new videos. This is what it looks like. If you have any questions, you can contact us on Amazon. Well, I didn't buy it on Amazon, so where am I? Here we go. Ooh. But yeah, videos have been slow. Editing, I'm gonna try to be editing more videos and shit. How's this shit open? I'm just gonna rip it. Oh wait, it cuts right there. Alright. Shit. Now this is an attachment piece, so... And here we are. Oh, please don't tell me it's... And here we are. This is the piece. So, pretty much, you put it on your bone like this. And it came with two other bowls. So, you'd put one like this. And then it would go like that. So, you could take a bigger rip. You know. So, yeah. Then, Monday or Tuesday, I'm going to be having a new video coming out on a bowl. And it's for this piece. So, let's just do this. Don't want to risk anything. Now, this one I am excited about. It said it wasn't coming until like Sunday, but it came today, so I was really fucking happy about that. Alright, here we go. Alright, oh my, it's pretty big. It's not as big as this one, though. This one's my biggest. This one will probably be my second. Please hit no right there. Woo! And this is what the piece looks like. Yeah, it's a bit smaller than I thought. I thought it was going to be a little bit bigger. But all in all, pretty cool. Feels pretty sturdy. Huh. Pretty nice, pretty nice. That's it right there. Let's get this slide out. Damn. And I would be taking a rip out of this, but don't got any gas. So. Alright, basic slide. I'm pretty sure all my slides can hold these. Yeah. And then if I wanted to, you know, put this on, maybe put this one on, or this one. But yeah. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. We got a new bong. Looks a little, It's like I can mold it. I don't think this was in there long enough, but I still like the piece. I feel like I could rip one of these eyes off too. It could be a dab rig. Yeah, but I don't know. So, that's it. If you could like, subscribe, comment, it'd help me out. Maddie Patty 420 out.